I do not want to break this baby. Ooh.
Bruh.
At least I broke it. And what's up, guys? It's Aris, and we're back in another video. And today we're making banana sushi rolls. All you guys need is peanut butter, bananas, and also your favorite cereal, crunched up honey bunches. They also smell good. I want to eat one. Here's the whole banana that you're going to use. You better be careful. You don't want it to break. You're going to cut the ends. And then now we're going to spread the peanut butter on top of the banana. And then you're going to spread your favorite cereal on your banana. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Guys, and this is how you make banana sushi roll. Ta-da! Okay, guys, now it's time to taste a banana sushi.
Oh my God. Bruh.
Okay, do you like banana sushi rolls? I do not like the banana, but I like the cereal and the peanut butter. The peanut butter was the goodest thing on the banana. I'm trying eating the peanut butter with the cereal right now. I only like plain bananas. Banana sushi roll. Banana sushi roll. Okay, that's enough. Okay.